How do you handle the holidays? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. I just pulled this clock out today, and of course it's only one day till Christmas Eve here. And I finally have started pulling out some Christmas stuff to get ready for people coming to visit today and for our first of many Christmas celebrations at my house. Anyway, today I'm not going to have an idiom. No idiom today. I know, crazy. My question is, how do you handle the holidays? How do you deal with the different experiences, the different encounters, the different relationships, the different conversations, the different activities that you choose to participate in with respect to this holiday season? I noticed that over the years, our holiday traditions, some of them have stayed the same, but some of them have changed. One of my friends posted about white elephant, great strategy today, and I think it's wonderful. But we do white elephants as we've gotten older and everybody grew up. It's like, okay, we don't really need a bunch of stuff. Let's do white elephants. And it's a lot more fun for us adults. But I guess what I'm thinking about today is that we need to do certain things and not do certain things in order to handle the holidays in a way that feels healthy and right and good to each and every one of us. For one, I think if we increase our gratitude and we increase our kindness and our love for one another, and we appreciate that we get the opportunity to get together, because a lot of times we don't get to. My mom's down in Texas, and this is another year where she's not coming home and we're not going there, and so we don't get to spend Christmas with her, and that's always sad for us, especially since we lost my father this time of year several years ago now. But what we want to do is, and what I like to do, I'm going to share what I like to do, and then I'd love to hear what you do and how you do it. I like to pre-frame the experiences, right, that we're going to have, the interactions. And I remind myself that the conversations are more about checking in with the other person, finding out what's been going on with them, than me talking about what's going on with me. Now, I like to talk a lot, so for me, that's a challenge. So my overarching fundamental belief is that we need to be loving, love being, and be ourselves, but we also need to allow everyone else to do that as well. So share in the comments below, how do you handle the holidays? I was reminded last night that I sometimes, believe it or not, try to do too much. And then the holidays get stressful. And so this year I'm cutting myself some slack. I don't even have the presents wrapped. I don't even have dinner prepped yet for tonight. I don't have our stockings yet. I don't know where the Christmas stockings are. I'll find them. I always get everything done, but instead of stressing out about it, I'm going to enjoy the day, enjoy the experience, enjoy the activities surrounding the holidays, and cut myself, as well as everyone else, some slack in terms of what my expectations are. It doesn't have to be perfect. We just have to enjoy being together. Have an amazing holiday. And of course, I'll be with you tomorrow morning. And I'll probably pick an idiom, a Christmas related idiom. But today I wanted to take the day off because I was up too late last night doing the things that don't necessarily even matter to anyone but me. All right, have an awesome day. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, but I'll still be popping in. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, see you tomorrow.